Assalamu alaikum. Students, in previous 7th class lecture we have discussed the sentences and their three types according to their structure. Now we will solve the exercise. Our first question is observe each sentence and write the name of its type in the blank. Firstly, we have to recognize that how many clauses are there in one sentence and what type of conjunction is joining them. Then we can easily solve them. Our first sentence is her hair are unkept and dry. Her hair are unkept, this is one clause, and the word dry, this is the second clause. Her hair are unkept, this is not depending on the other sentence, it has its complete sense, so this is independent clause. And the next word dry, this is also independent, and the word, the conjunction and which is joining, which is creating a relation between these two clauses, is a coordinate conjunction. That's why this sentence is compound sentence. Same as the second sentence. Now see the third one. My father is a leading lawyer of this town. Now there is not any conjunction, this is single sentence, that's why this is simple sentence. And the fourth one, you can do so when you grow up. Now there are two clauses. In first clause the meaning is not clear. You can do so, तुम कर सकते हो when you grow up. There is a condition now. अब इसमें condition आ गई है. The first sentence is depending on the other sentence. First one is of dependent clause because it is depending on the other, and the second sentence the meaning is clear, the condition is becoming clear. उसमें जो है वो condition और meaning जो है दोनों complete हो रहे हैं. That's why this is independent clause. And the conjunction when, which is creating a relation between them, this is subordinate conjunction. That's why this one is complex sentence. Next, fifth one, this is the same sentence. And sixth one, Mac was an obedient son and a loving brother. This is like first sentence. This is of compound sentence. Now solve the next sentences. You can see, come to the second part. Given below are a few compound sentences. Sort out of the coordinating conjunctions used in each sentence and write it in the blank. First sentence, you can go and see him in his office. Which one is creating a relation between these two clauses? The word and, that's why this is coordinate conjunction. And in second sentence, but, in third one, or, next as well as, and so on. In question number C, we have to find out the conjunctions that is creating a relation between the dependent or independent clause. This is the house where we used to live. In this sentence, where is creating a relation between these two sentences, that's why this is subordinate conjunction. And in second one, whatever, third one, as, and fourth one, for, and so on. You can see. Now our next topic is conversion of the sentences. How can we convert the sentences into simple to complex, complex to simple, compound to complex, and compound to simple? Now we shall learn about this concept. First one is simple to complex. It being hot, I switched on the cooler. Students, we have to create a condition here by using a suitable conjunction. हमें यहाँ पे एक कंडीशन क्रिएट करनी है. एज वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इन द कम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंसेस, हमें एक ऐसी सूटेबल कंजक्शन यहाँ पे लगानी है जो कि इसमें कंडीशन पैदा कर दे और उसमें कम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस की सेंस आ जाए. बिकॉज इट वॉज हॉट आई स्विच्ड ऑन द कूलर. एंड नाउ बिकॉज, क्योंकि, कंडीशन आ गई यहाँ पे. वी कैन ऑब्जर्व, because it was hot I switched on the cooler. Now it's complex sentence. सेकंड में मीनिंग क्लियर हो रहा है। फर्स्ट में हम लोगों ने कंडीशन कर दी पैदा और सेकंड में उसका मीनिंग क्लियर कर दिया। सो सेकंड वन इज़ independent clause and first one is dependent clause, and doesn't matter that we are using the conjunction before first sentence or in the middle of these two clauses. Dejected, तब हमने बस कंडीशन ही पैदा करनी है ना उसमें, कि उसमें कम्प्लेक्स वाली सेंस आ जाए। इट इज़ टू कोल्ड टू गो आउट, टू एंड टू दिस इज़ द पेयर। we use these sentences in the negative sense। इतनी सर्दी है कि it is so cold, इतनी सर्दी है that one cannot go out। now observe the next sentences, how can we convert them? Now we will solve the exercise। our first exercise is change each of these simple sentences into a complex sentence। the first sentence, he looks to be quite smart, he looks as he is very smart। it is too hot to go out, it is so hot that one cannot go out। the noble often die young, those who are noble often die young। despite being clever, he failed the test, though he is clever yet he failed the test। though and yet, they have the pair। in first sentence we are using though, then in next sentence we use yet। the sun having set we came home, as the sun having set we came home। and the next sentences you can observe। okay students, next topic you will solve by your own self, because these are the same topics, and we'll meet you in next video with the next topic।